You're all very welcome this evening, CBD. I'm joined by Tom Raftery, your product manager for solar PV and environment lead in terms of sustainability, and also Nigel Blacklock, our technical director. So just give you a little brief overview into the company. Some of you might be familiar with the Bauder company throughout Ireland over the last 20 years. The company is a fourth generation family-run business, with the most recent changeover happening in the last 3 to 4 years, previously run by Paul and Gerhard Bauder for 36 years. In terms of employees, so we're looking at 1,250 employees European-wide, which in the region of 900 million euro turnover. 40% of our turnover will be export-led, and there are 16 subsidiary companies across Europe. We have 8 plants for bitumen and single-ply membranes, and also polyurethane insulation. Just some information in terms of company position within the European marketplace. So for every fourth roof in Germany would be a Bauder project. And in terms of the European position, we'll be the largest producer of bitumen membranes, polyurethane insulation in Germany, third largest in Europe, and as I said already, 1,250 employees. That'll kind of give you an idea of the scale of the business. Sales and distribution, it's primarily flat roofing based. We also have an element of pitch roofing based on the continent, primarily in Germany. 40% of the products we would through turnover is through bitumen, 25% insulation, and 15% is single ply products. And again, it's 60% in the home market, and 40% would be exported to the rest of Europe. So in terms of the locations of plants, these would be the locations of plants throughout Germany, and Brook is the most recent plant that's been commissioned. Subsidiary companies or daughter companies throughout Europe. So obviously we have the Irish and a UK base, based in the UK since 1979, over 200 employees. Focusing on specification sales of flat roofing systems for balconies, flat roofing, terraces, also solar PV, green roofing and blue roofing. Product range. We focus on the UK and the Irish marketplace is bitumen membranes, single-ply membranes, cold-applied liquid waterproof systems. The different range of insulations in terms of PIR, mineral wool, which has become more popular in the last number of years, in terms of non-combustibility, cellular glass, primarily in the UK, vacuum insulation panels, and the insulated products would also come in flatboard and tapered. Green roofing is in terms of extensive systems, intensive green roofs, and biodiversity, and also the topic this evening is PV. And we also have a range of accessories for flat roofing systems. Just in terms of the locations and distribution of products, our main depot is in Ipswich with bases in Runcorn, Glasgow and Larne for distribution.